What's going on, everybody? So today we got to talk about Dogwifhat, and I know you see the title, and as it says, Dogwifhat could reach the Shiba Inu market cap soon this cycle. So this is actually a pretty big thing. We're just gonna jump right into it because we got a lot to discuss here. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight to it. So first things first, we're at $1.96, down 10.5% in the last 24 hours. I like to buy when things are red, and this is red, and it's really red right now. In the last 7 days, it's lost a lot of market cap. The current market cap is at 1,963,302,187. In other words, 1.9 billion. If you look at the market cap where it was 7 days ago, it was at 2.6 billion. So from 1.9 billion, from 2.6 billion down to 1.9 billion, that is a major discount for Dogwifhat. That is a major discount right there. Last 7 days, it's down 21%. In the last 30 days, 10.9%. But yeah, it's at a really nice discount right now. Trading volume, absolutely insane. $798 million inside of trading volume. At that time, when it was at the $2.67, in other words, 2.6 billion market cap, it literally only had 325 million inside of trading volume. So right now, the trading volume we're seeing is mainly selling volume. So it's a pretty interesting thing because whenever you see something like this go down this much after it had such a huge run up, like that kind of tells you that something big is probably going to happen soon for this. The volume at the peak was $613 million, and the price at the peak was $4.58. And then the market cap here at the peak was all the way at $4.5 billion. So it almost got to the Shiba Inu numbers. And when I say the Shiba Inu market cap, I'm not necessarily just saying where Shiba Inu is right now. I'm saying where Shiba Inu was at its peak. Because during this bull market, we're probably going to end up seeing Shiba Inu like doing 100 billion, possibly 150 billion, something like that. And then we're going to see Dogwifhat taking over what Shiba Inu once had, which is like a 50 billion market cap or whatever it was. So Shiba Inu at its peak, let's go ahead and look at that. So Shiba Inu at its peak had about 41 billion in market cap. So imagine Dogwifhat at 41 billion market cap. That's a 10x from that's a little bit more actually. So let's just go ahead and do this math from where we are right now with Dogwifhat. So all you really have to do here would be take the market cap, the market cap of Shiba Inu at its peak, and then divide it by the current market cap that we have at Dogwifhat. So we're just gonna round it up here to 41 billion for the Shiba Inu market cap, and then the 1.9 billion for the Dogwifhat market cap. That's a 21x. That's a 21x, and since we rounded it up, it's a 22x. So imagine right now you take 20, let's say you took $2,000, right? And then you got into Dogwifhat at the current price. You would have 1,020 coins of Dogwifhat. If it went up to the market cap that Shiba Inu was at, which is a 22x, you got to think you're 22xing your money. So that $2,000 is 22xing from there. That's $44,000. And then just to kind of show you like what I'm talking about here, like we could literally just take the circulating supply here for Dogwifhat, and then we could just multiply it by a bunch of different numbers. If we look at Dogwifhat at $10, obviously it's that's a lot of money. That's 9.9 billion, but we know it could get more than that. We know it could do more than that. It could do Shiba Inu market cap numbers, right? So Dogwifhat at $20 is 19.9 billion. Remember, Dogwifhat already got to 4.5 billion. We know it could run up. We know it could do this. We know it can just go absolutely insane. Imagine Dogwifhat at $30, right? Or imagine Dogwifhat at $50. Now, the Shiba Inu prices for the market cap, what you're really going to want to look at is more so like $45 for Dogwifhat. So Dogwifhat could possibly do $45 because that's where Shiba Inu's market cap was at the peak, and Dogwifhat is like getting up there. Like a lot of people are on it. And look, you got to think about it. Dogwifhat is not listed on Coinbase yet. It's not even listed on Coinbase yet. It's listed on everything but Coinbase. So it still has a whole another area of the market where it could benefit from. So when it finally gets listed on Coinbase, it'll be huge. But look, it's listed on BitGet, Gate.io, Bit2Me, Binance, Pionex, MEXC. Also, if you want to buy it on MEXC, check out the link in the description. It'll really help support the channel out a lot. Because just check it out, link in the description for MEXC if you want to sign up and get Dogwifhat on there. But yeah, they also have it on KuCoin, and all these other ones. HTX is one it's on DigiFinex, Bybit, Economy, Binance again, Crypto.com, LBank, Kraken, BitTrue, OKX. The list goes on and on and on and on. So yeah, you're definitely gonna want to go ahead and check out Dogwifhat. Like the list goes on and on with it. But yeah, like I was saying here, like a $45 Dogwifhat is 44.9 billion market cap. Let's round it up to 45 billion market cap. So $45 Dogwifhat is a 45 billion market cap right here. So this is absolutely crazy. And what if we can finally get there, but like at the end of the market, like that's a lot of money. That's a 22x right there. And think about it, even if it was only 40 billion instead of 45 billion, right? That would be a $40 Dogwifhat price. So $40, I think Dogwifhat can reach $40. I really do. That's 40 billion in market cap. It's definitely possible. Let's just think about it like this: your $2,000 divided by the current price of Dogwifhat, and then at a 40 billion market cap, which was Shiba Inu's peak, that would be multiplied by 40. So imagine turning $2,000 into $40,000 because you're like diamond handsing this all the way up to the top. Like that's the type of stuff that I think Dogwifhat could actually do. So let me know if you guys think that Dogwifhat could do 40 billion in market cap. Do you think it could do it? It's a 22x from where we are now. I think it can get to where Shiba Inu once was, because in this cycle, Shiba Inu is going to get way higher than that. Shiba Inu is literally going to get way higher than what it was before during this cycle. So yeah, and look, the 24-hour volume for Shiba Inu at its peak was high. Like it was high enough. Like just in 24-hour trading volume, the volume just absolutely crazy. $36 billion inside of volume. $36 billion in 24-hour trading volume. So within 24 hours, $36 billion was transacted in between Shiba Inu, and the market cap at that time was 40 billion. So only 4 billion of it was actually just chilling there, but people were just trading it like crazy. And I think the same thing could happen here with Dogwifhat, especially because the trading fees on Solana are so cheap. Like people are going to be able to easily trade it, and they already are easily trading it right now. Actually, 798 million on a light day. So yeah, that's something to think about here. That is something to think about. The holders, I had 172,000 holders. Lots of whales got lots of money inside of Dogwifhat. There's a lot of whales with big money. Like this whale has $65 million in Solana coins. 20 million of it, with 20.45 million of it is inside of Dogwifhat. 11.59 million of it is inside of Bonk. Then they got a bunch in Jupiter, and then they got 3.45 million in Ponky. And I made a video about Ponky. Ponky is going to be like the next one up, so you're definitely going to watch out for that. But Dogwifhat, Bonk, Book of Meme, and Ponky, those are like the top meme coins right now for Solana. So these are the ones that you really want to watch out for. But yeah, anyways, moving on from that, they got their branding on point. They got their Twitter on point. They just post all these different memes here. So yeah, you'll just see a bunch of different memes with the Dogwifhat thing with just a bunch of different stuff. So they always got that on point. Now, as for the technicals here with Dogwifhat, I was looking at the Stocks RSI earlier, and actually looking at the RSI, you can kind of see it looks like it wants to continue to go up here a little bit. You can see that it already crossed down here at the bottom. Typically, whenever that happens, when it crosses at the bottom like that, we typically have a rise in price. So it looks like we are going to be rising in price soon here with Dogwifhat. So that's pretty much what I'm waiting for right now with it. Now, we already hit the support here with our Fibonacci retracement, and we're at the bottom here bouncing off on the RSI. So this is like a textbook play right here. Dogwifhat should be very soon running up from the current $1.95 price to like $2.40. So Dogwifhat should be rising up to $2.40 easily. That's an easy trade right there, honestly. And Punky should be doing the same thing. It should be running up as well. Every meme coin right now actually is running up here on Solana. Not all of them are going to run up, obviously, though. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, I've been watching Punky and what it's been doing. And I do believe we're about to have a huge pump here for Punky as well. I'm going to make another video on that. You can just see how the RSI on the daily chart has crossed and now is about to start ramping upwards. So yeah, these are good times right now for Solana meme coins. A very, very, very good time for them. And not all of them. It's only like the top ones right now that we're really watching out for. But yeah, the RSI, is also increasing here when you look at the 4-hour chart. So yeah, Punky is another textbook play right now that is doing very good on Solana. But Dogwifhat should soon be reaching $2.42 and $2.40 somewhere around there. And remember, just yesterday, like it was close to that price, so it could easily run right back up to it. And the technicals are kind of showing us that it is about to. So yeah, that's just a little bit of a short-term analysis there. Looking at the daily chart for Dogwifhat, you can also see it's still crossing down here on the bottom for the RSI. That's always a good sign right there when you see it crossing on the RSI on the bottom like that. Always a very, very good sign. And soon it should be going up. So $3 coming soon, eventually higher than that. And then in the far, far future, we could have a $40 billion market cap Dogwifhat. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think that it's possible? Yeah, just let me know what you guys think about this. Hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you want these automated trading indicators that I was using on my on TradingView, you can go ahead and check out the link in the description for Chart Prime, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be back with another video.